Shafan, you won't believe it. My small side business just made $10,000 profit last month.
That's amazing, bro. But wait, how much did you invest?
Oh, around $5,000.
Okay, let's calculate your ROI, return on investment. It shows how profitable your investment is.
ROI? How do you calculate that?
Simple. You divide the profit by the investment and then multiply the result by 100 to get the percentage.
So, my profit is $10,000 and I invested $5,000.
Right. Dividing $10,000 by $5,000 gives 2. Multiply that by 100 and you get 200%.
That's 200%.
Exactly. A 200% ROI means you earn twice the amount you invested. The higher the ROI, the better your investment.
Wow, that makes so much sense. I'll use ROI to check all my future investments.
Smart move, Hassan. ROI helps you measure if your time and money are worth it.
And that's ROI explained in under a minute. Use it to measure your success and make smarter decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe